If you want to transfer photos from Google Pixel 10a to your computer, the best way to do so is by simply using a USB cable. You can connect your phone to your computer with a USB cable. There we go. Once you connect, you can go to notifications and you will see charging this device via USB. In case you do not have this notification after a couple of seconds after connecting the phone to your computer, then you might need to unplug the cable and connect again. We're going to tap on this notification on the right side to reveal this additional option, and then tap on the notification to go to USB preferences. And over here, you need to choose File Transfer / Android Auto. There we go. Afterwards, you should be able to open your computer and go to Pixel 10a. We're going to choose internal storage, of course. And if you're looking for photos, then most likely you can find them in the DCIM folder. Over here, we have the camera, and you can find all your pictures and photos and so on and so forth. Of course, you should also be able to find something in downloads in case you downloaded some photos, let's say, and so on. So just look through these folders. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.